We don't know what will happen in the future. Okay, life is very unpredictable, kan? Like I don't know how long my products are going to be relevant, so I wanted a backup income. So I decided to do public goals. And another reason is sebelum saya buat business public goals, saya ada buat business lain juga. And the last business I did was, I'm not sure if I can mention it here, but it starts with A lah. I think everyone knows. And I've been doing it for 3 years, sejak 2021 hingga 2020. And by doing that business for 3 years, my highest income was 600 ringgit. Tapi business public goals saya buat betul-betul for 1 year, and my highest income was 8,000 ringgit.
Wow.
What I like about the public goal business, even though I've done other businesses before, public goal business is very simple, very easy. Sebab we are not encouraging we are not forcing people to waste money on products, but we're actually encouraging them to save money in the form of gold. So it's like a win-win situation for us.
Jadi tuan-puan, siapa yang bercadang nak capai passive income minimum 5 ke 10 ribu sebulan, membina bisnes ketika tak perlukan bisnes, siapa yang mencari peluang, boleh intai-intai peluang yang ada dalam bisnes public goal. Nak explore tuan-puan, nak berjaya bersama Hana dan tim Jihana Network, tuan-puan boleh rujuk pin video di Prof Hana. Hana akan bantu dan bimbing sebaiknya. Jumpa anda di puncak kejayaan.